In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, so let's dive right in. Editing photos using ChatGPT is a pretty straightforward process that can bring your images to life with just a few clicks. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the ChatGPT website. You can do this by simply typing chatgpt.com in your web browser. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Add Photos and Files. This is an important step because it allows you to upload the photo you want to edit. Simply click on that prompt and it will open up a file selection window. Navigate through your files, select the photo you want to work with, and confirm that you're ready to upload it. After your photo is uploaded, you'll need to type in a prompt. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think about what changes or enhancements you want to make to your photo. For example, you might want to brighten the colors, add some filters, or even create a specific mood. Be descriptive in your prompt to get the best results. Once you've written your request, it's time to take action. Head over to the keyboard and tap Enter. That simple action will signal ChatGPT to start processing your request and editing your image according to the specifications you provided. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this may take just a couple of moments. And there you go. ChatGPT will edit the image for you and send the modified version your way. It's really that easy. If you're happy with the edited photo, you can download it directly to your device with just a few more clicks. Just look for the download button provided beside the edited image and hit it. Now, if you're looking for a little extra assistance, or if you want to get a visual guide on the steps we just talked about, we also have an excellent video linked in the description below. This video walks you through the exact steps with real-life examples of using ChatGPT for photo editing. In the world where digital image editing can sometimes seem daunting, using platforms like ChatGPT makes it approachable and accessible. You don't need to be a professional photo editor. The AI is here to help. By following these simple steps, anyone can enhance their photos in no time. So remember, just head to chatgpt.com, upload your photo, type in the desired edits, hit enter, and then download your edited masterpiece. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one. We're here to equip you with all the knowledge you need to give you a polished, professional edge in your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.